Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can turn on dark mode in Notion. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now to start, open your Notion app and then make sure that you log into your account. And then, right here at your dashboard, you can see at the top right corner of your screen the three dots. Just tap on that. And then tap on Settings. Now from Settings, just scroll down until you see Appearance. From Appearance, you can now customize Notion on your device. Now just tap on Use System Setting. You can now choose to use your system setting. You can also turn it to light or you can turn it to dark. Tap on dark to make it dark mode. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching.